Rick with the best of everything, and I'm looking at the Janx JXCH001B and W. These are 6.6 watt car chargers. It's in a 12 volt cigar lighter. These are really pretty handy. It's got a lightning cable attached to it. So while you're out in the Land Cruiser, you can pull this out of the glove box there, and you can accommodate about anything. Since it's got it attached on there. And 2.2 per port. This is MFI certified and carries the FCC for noise interference. This won't buzz your radio, or if you have a device there for hands-free phone comm through the radio, it won't get buzzed. Nice little grip on the end. This is great. Hey, let's just go out to the Land Cruiser and take a look. I'll meet you outside. Okay, we made it out to the Land Cruiser. Let's take a look at the Janx GXCH001B, a 6.6 watt car charger with an attached lightning cable. This is pretty cool. Attached cable. Let's see, do we want that up? Yeah, there we go. We got a little blue light inside of there. And we got our voltage tester. It says we got 5 1/4 volts ready to go. Okay, right off it read it. Dropped down to just 5 volts, 1 amp, and is feeding it. Cool. I like that. That's a good one. And that is the Janx GXCH001B Black. Okay, let's look at the white one. Janx JXCH001W. This is a same thing, only it's white. We got a blue light on the bottom. You can see that. There you go. And we've got a great big ass power bank here. And one of those spiffy cables that you don't have to worry about if it's right side up or not. And we're reading 5 volts, 1 amp. Our protection circuitry knows what it's supposed to be doing. It'll go up to 2.2 on that port, I believe. And we've got an extra lightning cable for that damn laptop. Janx JXCH001W. Another great little charger. I'm glad I got these little things because they got that lightning cable on there. This is MFI certified. And a nice little product. There we go. Let's put this in the travel